Hello friends, let's crochet together a granny square like this. Here is the pattern and let's start. First of all, we make a magic loop and 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This is our first double crochet, and now we make 15 double crochets in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 and 15. And we have 16 double crochets in the first round. Then we pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the third chain. And the first round is ready. Then we make a slip stitch between the first and the second double crochets. And this is the beginning of the next round. Then we make 3 chains and in the same place we make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then we make 2 chains and then we make 3 double crochets between the third and the fourth double crochets of the first round. 1, 2 and 3. 2 chains and then 3 double crochets between the next 2 double crochets of the first round. Two chains and we make 3 double crochet between the next 2 double crochets of the first round. Two chains and go on in the same way till the end of the round. Don't forget about 2 chains after the last double crochet, and then we make a slip stitch in the third chain at the beginning of the round. And now we make 2 chains and we start to crochet in the next arch. We make half double crochet, 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 half double crochet. Then we make the same half double and double crochets in the next arch. We make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, then 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 half double crochet. In the next arch, add a half double crochet, 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 half double crochet. And we continue in the same way till the end of the round. When we crochet in the last arch, we make 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, and 2 chains that we've made in the beginning of the round is our last half double crochet. So we make a slip stitch in the second chain, and we also change the color. So we take another yarn and make a slip stitch with new thread. In the next round we make 2 chains. This is our first half double crochet. Then we make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 2 half double crochets we make a double crochet, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another 1 half double crochet. Then we make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between the next half double crochets we make half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Then we make the second corner. We make a double crochet, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a double crochet. Then we make 5 chains and half double crochet between the half double crochets of the previous round. And we continue in the same way till the end of the round. In the end of the round we make a slip stitch in the second chain. And we make a slip stitch in the arch. And this is the beginning of the last round of the square. We make 3 chains. This is our first double crochet, and we make 4 double crochets more in this arch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we make a chain and 3 double crochets in the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 3 chains and 3 double crochets in the same arch. 2 and 3. A chain, 5 double crochets in the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A chain, 5 double crochets in the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A chain, 3 double crochets in the corner, 3 chains and 3 double crochets. And we continue till the end of the round. We make a chain after the last double crochet and a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Pull the thread, take it to the opposite side and make a chain and cut the thread. Then we take a needle and hide the ends of the thread and fix them. When we fixed all the threads, cut the rest and we have a nice granny square. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.